Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Quick update here, crypto market update for Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, and CME futures. Just kind of seeing what's going on this weekend. I do personally feel like we are going to see the price action pull back to that roughly $83,000 mark. Potential pivot from there. We do have that 0.618 fib level, but for the most part, support is now below the price action. So in turn, there's more likelihood of further upside. However, I think that we are a little bit on the overextended side here. Plus, this is a weekend, folks. We've had 13 out of 14 red weekends this year, so it's hard to really trust this kind of price action. Be very careful taking longs right now. I feel like we're kind of tentatively longing the top if you were to consider that. It's just some friendly advice. Either way, there is some local liquidation here from Bitcoin at about 85 to 87K. Right there in that range, just above the price. We can see here, there is a CME gap that still is yet to be filled. That is from 2 weekends ago between 85.3 and 85.9. And if we take a look at Bitcoin dominance, we can recognize that we're kind of going sideways here. All right, so basically what that means for us is that we are finding stability in this low 63% range. So hypothetically, if we are stable right now and the price of Bitcoin keeps going up, we should experience altcoins increasing, which is what's happening right now. So we're right here in the stable up situation. Just bear in mind if Bitcoin starts to pull back, altcoins will too. That's kind of what I'm expecting at some point this weekend, just based on the simple, we have a lot of resistance here in this range, and generally speaking, historically, weekends have been very terrible for us this year. Last but not least, we can see altcoin dominance increasing towards that 8.2% range, and that's generally a favorable sign. We have a lot of resistance at the 8.5 range. I think we're probably due to see a bit of a pullback here for some altcoins. Not super significant, but just kind of pulling back to local highs. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Either way, I hope this made sense and I described it correctly. Thanks so much for being an awesome part of my life. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your weekend.